Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have been camping out at Geneva State Forest for the last couple of days with Dakota in the woods and Choir Boys outdoors, doing a little bit of, enjoying the camp and sharing a little bit of information about what makes their channels work and just learning stuff about, shorts and stuff like that, tips and tricks for doing the internet and stuff, because I'm an old dog and I got to learn new tricks. Well, as you can see, that's my view right now. I decided to go with the Redneck camper. This year my goal was to camp out at least every month, camp out every month at least 2 days. And I've done that thus far. Now all I got left is December. And I have camped out with my hammocks, I have camped out with tarps, I have camped out with several things, and I've only camped with the Redneck camper twice. And so I decided to do it this time, come out with the Redneck camper. Now I've got this mattress that we talked about that I picked up and put in here, cheap. Fits perfectly. I've got plenty of room to set up in here. And this is that little bitty old thin aluminum camper shell, And it was supposed to be down like low 40s, maybe upper 30s, something like that. And so I've got my 49 mountain bag on. Good morning, Dakota. Step around here, say hello.
Hello, folks.
Dakota in the woods, outdoors. How you doing, bro?
Doing pretty good, man.
Sleep well?
Oh, yeah.
So now, I slept perfectly fine and comfy. And for us old silver wolves, sometimes comfy's good. I slept, of course, I love my hammocks and I really enjoy it. But there is an advantage in a time for something like this Redneck camper where it was just quick and easy. Throw the mattress in the back, add the supplies. I've got plenty of room for my gear and stuff. Get there and there's no tent or nothing to set up. It's just put your sleeping bag in the back, drop tailgate, you're done. Simple and easy. The same way I've got, today is my wife and my 33rd or 34th anniversary. And so she said, go camp with the guys and then just come back on Sunday and we'll go do our celebrating and stuff like that. So I need to make a fast exit. And so this way I can just close the tailgate, grab one or two things, sit in the back, and I'm ready to roll for the house. So several of you have asked about the Redneck camper. Was I going to be doing more with it? And I am. And you can see I got my tire rigged up back here. That's my spare tire, and that's my jumper cable, stuff like that. And I just got it bungee to the top, and then I made an anchor point so it sits kind of wedged in there and held. I can take it out easy, but it gives me much more room in here in the floor, so I can actually crawl in and out and sleep. And it makes for just a fast, handy Redneck camper. And what more do you need? Just need a nice, secure, safe place to sleep, up off the ground, quick and easy. Hey. Well, guys, I'm going to get up and get rolling. We got stuff we got to do. I just wanted to say good morning and show you what my view is of the lake this morning. There'll be more with this Redneck camper this spring. I promised this year and I didn't do it, but this coming year I am. There's going to be some fishing, and this will be the primary ways. I can just roll out here, have the fishing rods, have the canoe on top, set up, ready to go real quick. We'll get to that a little bit later. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.